A successful relationship requires a good fit for both the employer and the employee. You're making an important decision and you need to evaluate and determine which facility is going to be the best fit. There are several things you want to think about when choosing a facility to work at. Consider the size of the shop you want to work for. Do you think you'd be more comfortable in a small, family-owned repair facility? Perhaps a larger dealer-owned facility is more your size, or even a national multi-shop operator. The best way to gauge the size of the shop you're going to be most comfortable at is to tour a few of them, preferably in advance of your job hunt. Think about how the atmosphere makes you feel when you walk in. Look at the types of tools and equipment being used, and look for evidence that the progressiveness of the shop matches your interests. If ongoing education is important to you, and it should be, look for evidence that the employees are offered training. Look for certifications on the walls and stickers or magnets on technicians' toolboxes. You may also want to look for evidence that the repair facility has established processes in place, often called standard operating procedures or SOPs. SOPs are a good indicator that the repair facility has a structure in place for proper repairs. If you don't see signs or manuals on SOPs, don't be afraid to ask. You'll also want to look for signs that the employer protects its employees. Look for safety data sheets that are easily accessible, safety glasses, respirators, and other personal protective equipment. If it's important to you, look for a facility that is actively involved in the community. This could include volunteering their time at a local community service organization or supporting the neighborhood baseball team. Another good way to determine if a repair facility is going to be a good fit for you is to go online and see what people are saying about the shop. What do their reviews look like? While you're online, visit the shop's website. Do they list OEM certifications? Other certifications? Also ask yourself if their website marketing aligns with other evidence you've gathered during your research. Determining the size and type of repair facility you want to work at in advance is a great way to find the best fit. Do your research and think about what type of facility you want to invest in for your future.